So that is the main guitar part that you hear throughout Believer. Really, that's it. There's the bass and this guitar part, and if you've watched the easier version of this song, this is a great one to play along with that. So let's get started. You're going to take your first finger and you're going to put it at the 6th fret on the G string. So E, A, D, G, G string. And then you're going to put your third finger on the D string on the 8th fret. And you're going to kind of rock between the two. So what I'm doing when I'm rocking between the two is I'm going down, up, down, up. So it ends up going more like down, up, 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 down. And notice I'm not moving my hand a lot. You want to keep it really, really small in between these two so that you don't hit any extra strings. So 6th fret, 8th fret, and down, up. And then on the next part, you're going to go to the 4th fret and the 6th fret. So it kind of changes here. So before you were at a higher fret on the D string, this time you're at a lower fret. So it's 4th fret on the D string, 6th fret on the G string. So that goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go to the 7th fret on the D string and the 5th fret on the G string. 3, 4. So the first one, you play it in 8 notes, but you play it 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all together it sounds like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the intermediate videos that I've done so far, this is one of the harder ones, so it might take a little while to get used to it. One of my main tips is practice keeping the right hand going even if your left hand is a little slow. You might miss a few notes, but it's better than stopping and readjusting every time, because you're never going to get faster if you're just stopping every single time. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you'd like an easier version, always look back at the easy version of Believer. See you next time.